Yeah, just PSA, I didn't approve for no crackhead bitch to be around my kids, so I hope everyone's in the same place when I arrive.
But touching me and touching my hair and all of that other stuff, I asked Chrisean 2 or 3 days ago if she wanted me to take the baby.
Okay, y'all, let me break this down for you because this situation is absolutely wild. So, Blueface just got released from jail, right? We're talking less than 24 hours. This man has not even been breathing free air for a full day yet, and he decides to go to a game or a play or something with his mom, Carlissa, and his kids. Now, here's the thing. Chrisean Jr. was not with him at this time. We don't even know if Blueface had a chance to speak to Chrisean yet. Like, the man just got out, so the communication situation, unclear. Keep that in mind because it matters. Now, listen, this is where things start to get messy. Chrisean decides to pull up to this same game or play situation with Chrisean Jr., and y'all know what she does? She goes live on social media in real time. And while she's live, she's showing Blueface's other kids on camera. Like, she's really out here putting everyone on blast for the world to see. So of course, Jaidyn, who is another one of Blueface's baby mamas, she sees this live happening. She sees her kids on somebody else's Instagram live, and she is not having it. Jaidyn gets mad, starts posting on her IG story, and straight up says, I'm pulling up. And y'all, when somebody says they're pulling up, you better believe they mean it.
Yeah, just PSA, I didn't approve for no crackhead bitch to be around my kids, so I hope everyone's in the same place when I arrive. I'm on the way.
Hold on, because the tension was already thick before Jaidyn even got there. Apparently, Chrisean had already gotten into it with Carlissa, that's Blueface's mom, before any of this popped off. So when Chrisean showed up to begin with, the energy was already bad. Like, you could probably feel it in the air. It was tense from the jump, and then, just like she said she would, Jaidyn pulls up. And when I tell you things got physical, I mean a full-blown altercation breaks out between Jaidyn and Chrisean. We're talking a real fight, y'all. This is not just words being exchanged anymore. Hands were thrown. Now, according to Carlissa's version of events, things got even crazier than that. She's claiming that Chrisean attacked the bodyguards. Yes, bodyguards, plural. Carlissa said Chrisean was fighting them and even bit them. Like, we're talking biting now. And Carlissa said she told the bodyguards to press charges because, in her words, Chrisean was trying to get to Jaidyn to fight her, and she had to be held back. So after all of this chaos, Jaidyn ends up leaving with her kids. She gets out of there, and then what does she do? She posts about the whole situation on her IG stories afterwards. Because of course she does. Everyone's got to tell their side of the story on social media now.
For sure, and 2 things for certain. You bitches go on live talking about, oh, and if you talk about my son, and anybody that talk about my son, and this is what happens to them, and da-da-da-da. No, and if any bitch play about my kids, or disrespect my kids, or disrespect me about my kids, yeah, we gonna see how far I'm willing to take you. I'm not no buster bitch about my kids, okay? I don't let anybody just play with them. I don't let anybody just be around my kid. I don't let anybody, it ain't like that over here, okay?
What?
Play that over. You guys want to go bowling?
Yeah.
Bowling, 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 bowling.
Now in the video, y'all are about to see the live that started this entire mess, the one Chrisean went live with that set everything off. And then after that, you're gonna see Carlissa's live show, where she explains her side of what went down and what she witnessed. But here's what really gets me about all of this. Blueface has been out of jail for less than 1 day, not even 24 full hours of freedom, and the drama has already restarted. Like, the man couldn't even enjoy a peaceful day with his kids before everything blew up. So now I wanna know what y'all think about this situation. Drop your thoughts in the comments below because this is a mess, and I need to hear what y'all have to say about it.
You want to stop? Here. Hold in. Family. Okay. Here, you get the stroller. You get the camera. You don't know what to say. No, I don't care. You know, I don't know. Say hi.
Just know, keep video on me. I'm gonna video her too.
We've been on our show. We on your show.
Oh, I didn't know.
We on live. Yeah. Pretty girl. She with Mom Dukes right now. Where your camera at? What is it called?
What is the link called, Carlissa?
Come on now, you tripping now. You doing
We
too
on
much.
live. No, we not.
Doing too much though.
See, look, nobody
You
want to
ain't
be
gotta
real
touch me,
on
though.
camera. Girl,
I'm
I
saying
can
you
hug
gotta
you.
touch me.
I
You
can
cannot.
hug you.
You
I can
cannot.
hug you.
She asked me not to.
Girl.
I'm sorry, stop.
Look. Right, everybody's so weird. So we not kumbaya. Hey. So y'all can record me, but I can't record y'all.
Oh, you can record me.
Oh, wow.
No, I thought you was over here.
I was talking about it like this.
Yeah, what?
Oh, you holding on to you?
Oh, look at Junior.
Baby Jesus. He Porter now. He not Junior. Junior if he kept Malone.
Still be Junior.
No, I don't like that. Mm-mm. Junior. What about CJ? Who's CJ?
I like CJ. I like CJ.
Of course you do.
Sonny, I like Sonny too.
Sonny, I call
For
baby
me.
Jesus.
Only I can call it Sonny.
All right, Sonny.
Only I can call it Sonny. Come on, JJ.
All right, well, look.
Hey. Got the love. Go.
Look, everybody fraud, y'all. Everybody fraud. Cause I caught the real. Nobody's beefing. Everybody just be doing stuff for clout. I'm trying to reconcile. She fake trying to reconcile. So I can't give you a hug. But you can go live and talk about your grandson. That's great. But I don't know. I'm be honest. I'm about to go. Because, you know, I'm about to enjoy them getting to know each other. And why y'all acting like I can't co-parent and be here? Shit. I trust his folks, but I don't know. I trust all them other people that be around this nigga. You feel me? And I'm far away, so y'all need to stop playing with me. Honestly, it look like a happy good to me.
I just want y'all to know that people is playing on the internet. They're playing games. They're playing games right now. All I asked was for her not to touch me. I had nothing against her bringing her child, whatever. She stalked us. She pulled up in a black truck. Nobody asked for her to come, but I get it. That's my son's possible child. She brought the child. That's what he's supposed to do. But touching me and touching my hair and all of that other stuff, I asked Chrisean 2 or 3 days ago if she wanted me to take the baby up to the jail with the other kids, and she called me all kind of bitches, and I'm going to post it so y'all know that this is her playing her shenanigans. She called me all kind of bitches, told me I'd never see her fucking son, stay the fuck away from her, all of that shit. She's playing internet games. She's playing with my grandkids. She's playing with her own child. She's playing internet games right now. I'm going to post the messages where she is literally cussing me out, threatening me and everything, when all I asked her was, do you want me to bring the baby up there? No, I don't want you touching my hair today and trying to be extra friendly so you could get Journey on camera so Jaidyn can come up there and destroy the grandkids' whole moment with their dad after 2 years. You would do that? You would do that? She attacked my security guards on camera, federal agents. She attacked the security guards on camera. It's on camera. She attacked the fucking security guards. Jonathan is caught in the middle of the worst fucking experience of his life, y'all. Y'all need to pray for him because he is really trying to do the right thing, and people is playing internet games and don't really give a fuck about their kids. That baby is somewhere. She drove off and left that baby. It wasn't no car seat, no nothing. She drove off and left that baby at Mount Tasia trying to follow my son. Jonathan daddy don't got no diapers. He ain't got no food. He don't know what the fuck to do. Y'all need to start holding people accountable. This is not funny no more. This is not a game no more. And that was the ugliest shit I've ever seen in my life. And y'all watched her put that woman's baby on camera, knowing that Jaidyn don't play about her kids. Why would that girl put that girl's kids on the camera and ruin their whole fucking day? So now Jaidyn picks her kids up and they not with their dad right now. But she got what she wanted, and that's okay. That's okay. John needs to spend a lot of time with her kid too. But that's okay. I pray that that's my son's son, because that what happened today was the ugliest shit I've ever seen in my life. It was the ugliest shit I've ever seen in my life. And my son is literally just caught in the middle, and I'm just watching him like, Mom, I don't know what the fuck to do. She attacking the security trying to fight back. He telling the security, don't hurt her. He asking her to get the baby and just go home. She like, I'm gonna do something to this car, do that to the car if you leave here. It is such a sad thing to watch my child go through this on his first day out. On his first day out. You couldn't just pull up. We already was videoing. We've been planning to video this forever. You didn't have to go live and show Jaidyn's kids. You didn't have to do that. She did not have to do that, and that's what made me say, you know what, fuck you. I'm not trying to be your friend. I'm not trying to work with you no more. And I told that security guard, press charges. Press charges on her for scratching you and biting you under the fucking camera at the fucking place. That was the evilest shit I've ever seen anybody do on somebody's first day out, and I done seen some evil shit. And I'm gonna go home and pray for my son, but he looked so lost. Jonathan looked literally lost, didn't he? Like he didn't know what the fuck to do. He didn't know what the fuck to do. He trying to be there and play with all the kids. All you had to do was chill out and sit down. You know he got a woman already. All you had to do was let him spend the day with all 3 of the kids. You didn't have to put Jaidyn's kids on there. There was no reason to put Jaidyn's kids on your live. Trying to be funny so she'll pull up and ruin her kid's day. Y'all need to start holding people accountable. That jumping on that security guard just told me what type of time she's on. And I have the whole thing on camera, and I'm going to play the whole thing on my Patreon so that y'all ugly motherfuckers, all y'all fans that think that shit is cute, can see that shit's not cute. That's the ugliest shit I've ever seen today. It was a beautiful, it was so beautiful, even when she was just tagging along trying to video us and not video Journey. There's no reason for you to put that woman's kids on there. She don't want you to video her kids. Even Jonathan asked her, don't video her kids. My son said, Lee, don't go buy her kids. I'm in the bathroom trying to change Journey diaper. She come in the bathroom with me. I have it all on camera. All of it is video. We were videoing for our day. So when she popped up with no invite, no permission, just popped up with her kid, I get it. You want to drop your baby off now? I get it. I would too. But all of that coming in the bathroom, trying to come in the bathroom while I'm trying to change my baby diaper. Then she tried to touch my baby face. And we almost got into it. You can't touch her. You can't never touch her. You just cussed me out and showed me how evil you was just yesterday. Blue did not allow anything. He did the best he could to try to keep it down so that it didn't elevate to where he got into any type of trouble. And we thank God that I had federal fucking agents on site and she attacked them. She fucking attacked them because they wouldn't let her get to Jaidyn. That's why. And it's all on camera. So she cannot lie this time and say, oh, they were being mean to me. Oh, they were starting it. I asked you, don't touch my hair. Just don't get close. All you had to do was just be there. Be there in the presence of a beautiful moment, a beautiful fucking day.